Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take you to Otter Co-op Outdoor Experience. It's a water park located in Aldergrove, BC. I highly recommend this place if you haven't got a chance to check it out, especially during this summertime. It's really affordable. It's next to Aldergrove Community Center. It's about $9.50 for adults and $4.50 for kids. And it has a lot of stuff like lazy river, wave pool and regular swimming pool, and the waters are all heated as well. But it's really popular, so you need to book it 1 week ahead. So let's say if you're trying to book 10:30 the first ships for Saturday, you need to book 10:30 the week before on a Saturday. But I think it's really worth it. It has the O food truck, just in case you're wondering whether they will have any food. And they also have the circus water park there. And because it's cold, Brandon is not really playing at that area. He loves the lazy river and the wave pool better because the water is heated. And they also provided life jacket for free, just in case you're wondering, because I was wondering about it before. They don't have the large locker right now, but they have a small locker where you can rent, and you just put 25 cents in and you can take it in and take it out, and so the money is basically refundable. They also have this blue tent that you can book for 20 people. I think it's about the same price at the end, but we didn't book it. We just bring our manta tent there, and thanks God we brought it there because it was raining, so all the kids have their snacks there. And you got time, depends on the shift, which shift you are, but you can get 2.5 hours to 2 hours. And you need to wear your swimsuits when you arrive there, and half an hour before your time you can go to the changing room to take shower or to change. They also have the huge playground here, so I highly recommend this place and check it out. And Brandon was having blast. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure you do so, because I update daily where we're going during the summertime and about things to do in Vancouver, so make sure to follow me there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to follow me as well. I post video about things to do in Vancouver, about motherhood and about homeschooling as well, so make sure you follow me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Shut the lights, go in front.